Welcome to our 80s life. I'm Keith.
I'm Chris.
Wait, where's Abby?
I'm not really taking Abby's place.
Chris and I do an annual motorcycle trip. Today we are staying at an Airbnb in Huntsville, Alabama called the Nerd's Nest. All right, let's go in and check this place out. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. So if you know Huntsville, NASA's here. Have you ever seen Space Camp? So when you first walk in, we got a little NASA theme going on, but check out the rest of the room. And what does this say? My perfect day. Wake up. Play video games, eat breakfast, play video games, eat lunch, play video games, eat dinner, play video games, sleep.
Isn't that every kid these days?
I think it is. I could get behind that though. All right, so that's the living room. Very cool. Aim like a Jedi, not like a stormtrooper. That is so true. They can't hit anything. All right, guys, but you know how big of a Star Wars fan I am, and this room is just themed out to the hilt Star Wars. All right, when you first walk in, there's the door. Walk to the right, and you got a stormtrooper staring you down, and then it is Darth Vader right there. You got a cool couch with some Star Wars theming going on. And then more Star Wars. It just doesn't stop. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Check that out. All right, we have a Darth Vader alarm clock. And check out these sheets. Me and Yoda are gonna be hanging out tonight. Oh, and over here, Princess Leia and Luke. And then my favorite, Yoda. Oh, there's C-3PO. Cool. Has a TV. And then hiding behind the door, my little buddy, Chewbacca. So this is a very cool, themed out Star Wars room that any kid or adult would love. They got this cool board that you can stick a pin from where you're from. So, we're from Kansas, as you know, and no one from Wichita has ever stayed here before. So we are the first ones to be able to put the Wichita pin on the map. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So Chris has opted for the adult room of the two. So
Yeah.
Chris gets the NASA room.
Well, I knew which one Keith wanted, so I let him have that one. But this is all NASA themed.
All right, so let's see. We got different.
Are those movies?
No, it's like different missions. So these were the astronauts from different missions, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, like Expedition 37, I think. I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, they have the NASA thing on them.
Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I promise Abby will be back next time. I'll be back from the motorcycle trip, and we'll be back to our regular scheduled program. Take care, and be sure to subscribe if you hadn't, and be sure and like this video. See you next time.